Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Randy again with my Samsung Epic 4G, and I'm going to do a demonstration for a ROM I just downloaded. This is Viperrom Trinity version 3.0.3. It's got some really cool features. It does have a custom kernel from Mammon. It's got the glass lock screen. It has A2SD installed. Not sure if it's working. It's got the sound boost to increase volume, green battery meter, and some really cool
Initiating Viperrom Trinity version 3.0.3.
Okay, I'm sorry, but that's just totally pimp right there. But anyway, it's got transition animations that are really cool. I think you're really going to like them. And I've only been using it for a few hours, but I've had no force close issues or anything. It seems like a really stable ROM. And that's your lock screen right there. It's completely transparent, so you just move it any direction to open it up there. This also has the new YouTube. I guess it's the latest version of YouTube on here, and it's got the latest Android market, which is I don't know, I guess it doesn't really matter, it works, but it just looks a little fancier, a little bit cooler. But anyway, you can see you've got your 6-icon dock down there, and we'll go ahead and run some quick benchmarks and give you guys an idea of what you could be looking for as far as speed is concerned. Now, I'm not really for or against Quadrant. I've heard that it's not accurate, then I've had other people swear by it, so I really don't know anymore, but I just put it on here for those of you that are interested in the Quadrant scores. We'll also be doing LinPack and RL Lite SQL. I'm doing about 39 frames a second there, running at 56 frames per second here. And we're at 40 frames per second here. I'm sure by now you've seen these transition animations. They're really cool. And since I know you can't see the score, we're looking at a 1802. So 1802 there on Quadrant. Really cool animations there. I think that's really cool. Let me go on Task Manager, make sure. Yeah, close that out. We've also got a memory booster here, which is new. I've never seen it on Viperroms before. But tap Quick Boost, and it will tell you it recovered 4 megs of memory, which isn't a whole lot, but you know, every little bit helps, especially when you're dealing with a phone that uses a lot of memory intensive applications like this one. I'm right here, you probably cannot see it, but that is the A2SD Froyo. And we will go with SQL Lite. It's another benchmark test that I really like to use. On the truly epic ROM that I was using before, I was getting a score of it was about 46 point something seconds to complete this test. And kind of curious to see what kind of results we get with the new Viperrom. Should be running the last test here. Yep. Looks like it finished out with 27.853 seconds, and we'll show you a benchmark here. Diagram. The top one here is this epic at 27.8 seconds, and in the case of this benchmark, the bigger the number, the worse. So you want the smaller number. So we've got 27.8 seconds with my device using the Viperrom 303. Then you've got your Droid X running 2.2. Its second line at 63.5. HTC Desire 2.2, 77.9 seconds. Then here's your typical Galaxy S right here. On 2.1, 148 seconds to complete the same tasks that this one just did in 27.8. So looking good so far. Make sure I got nothing else running here. we'll go and run LinPack. This is 13.972 in 6 seconds. I tend to run this one 2 to 3 times just to 13.95 in 6 seconds, so looks like we're maintaining there. And 14.1 in 5.9 seconds, so yeah, that's pretty good. These animations are really cool. They look really nice, very smooth. Yeah, real cool. And you've got your dialer here, which is a little bit different. I haven't really decided if I like it or not, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's all spelled out instead of just the numerals. And email, blah blah blah. And I'll show you the new YouTube here. And it is what it is. And then last but not least, where did it go? There she is, market. This is the new market. Like I said, it doesn't really make a difference to me. I mean, as long as it works, I don't care. But here's the shutdown animation.
Viperrom Trinity version 3.0.3. Powering down.
So there you have it. It's a great ROM. Thanks again to B. Thomas 22X from the XDA Developer Forums. Man, you just can't go wrong. I was seriously sold on the Truly Epic, but I'm probably going to stick with this Viperrom for a while. So if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Hit me up, like, subscribe, and do what you do.